Today, I'm gonna show 6 SAT hacks that can boost your SAT math score fast. Like seriously, these are things that most students don't even know. But they save so much time on test day. And I will break down these 6 hacks using real SAT questions so you can use them immediately. And this video is kindly sponsored by Steps Prep, which is basically a cheat code for SAT practice. It has video explanations, step-by-step solutions, practice questions, and built-in Desmos, and also reference sheets just like Bluebook. And I will show you how I use it to solve real SAT questions, and I will demonstrate those 6 hacks. Now, the very first hack is related to similar triangles and congruence. And most students overthink this stuff, but there is a very good shortcut. So here's an example from Staff's Prep. So we have a triangle ABC and it's similar to DEF. And the question asks, if x is not 0, what is x? So the very first step that we should take is recognizing the type. And there are 2 things that you have to know on the SAT. The first one is, what does congruent mean? So congruent means that all sides and angles match. And similar means that the angles are same, but sides are proportional. Now, the next step that we have to take is matching corresponding sides. So A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to F. Now, the next thing we have to do is using a proportion. So we can say BC over EF equals AC over DF. And in this case, that's going to be x plus 2 over 3 equals x plus 6 equals 5. From here, 5x plus 10 equals 3x plus 18. And that's gonna give us 2x equals 8. And here, x equals 4. Now, here we have the answer. So the correct answer choice is B. And it says that they have a right triangle PQR, and Q here is 90 degrees, PQ is 12, and sine of R is 3 over 5. So we have to find PR. So the very first thing that we have to do is we should use the ratio. So in this case, that's going to be sine R equals PQ over PR. And that's going to give us 3 over 5. And from here, PR equals PQ multiplied by 5 over 3. And from here, because PQ is 12, you're gonna multiply it by 5 over 3, and that's gonna give us 20. And the final answer is choice C. And when you're practicing with this practice platform, it literally gives you step-by-step video explanations for each question that they have, and also text explanations as well, whichever you prefer. And you can see why each step works, not just the formula. And the text explanation at the bottom makes it super easy to scan very quickly before you move on to the next question they have. And now let's move on to the third hack. And this one is related to exponential decay problems. And here we have the question. So now let's tackle this exponential decay problem. So these are basically percent problems, but in disguise. So here's an example question from Staff's Prep. So here we have the equation, and the question is, value decreases each year by S%. Find S. So in this equation, we have x over 3, right? And here, x is months. And in a year, we have 12 months. So 12 divided by 3, that's going to be 4. So 5,000 multiplied by 0.7 in the power of 4, that's going to equal to 5,000 multiplied by 0.6561. Now, the next thing we have to do is we should convert it to percent decrease. So 0.6561 equals 65.61%. So to find S, we have to subtract 65.61 from 100, and that's approximately 34%. So the answer is C. And also, yes, you can literally eliminate wrong answers really fast because some of these choices are mathematically impossible, and the platform even gives you an opportunity to eliminate those. Now let's move on to the fourth hack, and this one is related to percents. I know percents are a huge trap. Students add them when they have to multiply. For example, here's the question that we have. So the sweater itself is $120, and they're giving 25% off, then 15% off coupon. So the very first step that you have to take in this question is applying the sale. So 120 multiplied by 0.75 because we have 25% off. So that's going to give us 90. And then the second step that we have to take is applying the coupon. So 90 multiplied by 0.85. Why 0.85? Because when you subtract 15% from 100%, we're going to have 85%. And when we convert it into decimals, that's going to be 0.85. And the final answer is 76.50. So the correct answer is D. And the mistake that a lot of students make is they add 25 and 15 because they think, oh, here we have two discounts, so we're gonna ask them. No, you should multiply those. Now let's move on to hack number 5, which is related to graph transformations. Here we have the function of Rx, and that equals x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 8. And it's shifted left 2 units. We have to find the value of s of 0, which is the exact same thing as r of 2. So r of 2 is going to equal to 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5 multiplied by 2 plus 8. And that's going to give us 5 multiplied by negative 30. And the final answer is negative 150. So the correct answer is choice D. And now let's talk about staff's prep. Okay, first things first. Staff's prep isn't just another question bank. Here's what makes it very different. So firstly, they have adaptive practice. It learns what you're good at and what you're not, so you're not wasting time on stuff you already know. And it gives you harder questions if you get more questions right, and if you get more questions wrong, you're gonna get easier questions. Secondly, they have specific categories. Like instead of just math, it breaks it down into geometry, circles, exponents, trig concepts. You get exactly what to work on next. And they also have built-in tools. There is Desmos for math, there is reference sheets, everything that you would have on test day in Bluebook. Plus, thousands of students worldwide use it, and Staff's Prep even has a score guarantee if you use it consistently. Now, let's talk about the personalized SAT study plan. So now let's start off by setting a test date. So let's say March 14th. So boom, the software instantly generates a personalized study plan for reading and writing, and each day has very clear goals. And this feature is very huge for staying consistent, and most students just guess what to do each day. But this removes all of that guesswork entirely. And now let me talk about my favorite part, adaptive questions. So let's try a math question. And now notice how it gives you easier questions when you get some wrong answers and harder ones when you're ready and when you're getting all questions right. And that is key because random drilling, forget it. This actually builds confidence while making sure that you're improving. Now, let's do a reading example too. So, after testing it out, here's the honest truth. Staff's Prep is one of the most efficient SAT platforms I've seen. It actually saves time by focusing on your weak points, builds confidence through adaptive questions, and mimics real test day perfectly. Would I recommend it to my students? Absolutely. If you're serious about improving your SAT score, this is a tool that will give you structure and measurable results. Make sure to check it out using the link in the description.